Oy, good. Magandang umaga sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa pag-click ng channel. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa ating National Qualifying Examination for School Heads and Quiz Reviewer. So, maraming salamat pala sa nag-click ng channel ko at nag-subscribe. Sa mga estudyante ko, maraming salamat sa inyo sa nanood. Sa mga kaming principal o school heads, claim nyo na yan. Pag-aralan na ninyo yung mga DepEd order na to. Napakarami ng DepEd order na to from 2018 to 2023. So mayroon tayong copy niyan. Sa halos every month mayroong pinapalabas na DepEd order galing sa national office. So maraming salamat. Sana suportahan nyo ang channel ko para masiyahan tayong gagawa pa ng mas marami pang mga videos ukol sa ating pag-aaral, sa ating pagre-review. So maraming salamat sa mga nagsusubaybay nyo. Araw-araw ay napansin ko na inaabangan nyo rin yung mga DepEd order na nandito na pwede kong may share sa ating pag-aaral bilang review ng ating quiz. So sa ngayon, ang pag-aaralan naman natin, o alamin natin kung ano yung pinagkaloob o nasa iparating sa atin ng DepEd Order number 4 series of 2018 dated February 7, 2018. So ito na yun. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education DepEd Order number 04 series of 2018 dated February 7, 2018. Amendments to DepEd Order number 63 series of 2017. Implementing guidelines on the utilization of support to operations fund for regional offices for mapping and monitoring activities of the alternative learning system for calendar year 2017. To Undersecretaries, Assistant Secretaries, Bureau and Service Directors, Regional Secretary, ERMM, Regional Directors, School Division Superintendents, Public and Private Elementary and Secondary School Heads, all others concerned. Number 1, the Department of Education DepEd issued DepEd Order number 63 series of 2017 entitled Implementing Guidelines on the Utilization of Support to Operations Fund for Regional Offices for Mapping and Monitoring Activities of the Alternative Learning System for calendar year 2017. However, for a more effective and efficient obligation of the 3 million funding for each region, the provinces stated in the enclosure of said DO shall be amended as follows. Number 5, fund allocation, release and disbursement. Item 5.4, original provision. After receipt of sub-arrow schools division offices through the regional office shall be request the corresponding cash requirements or notice of cash allowance in C from DBM. Amended. After the receipt of sub-arrow, the regional official request the corresponding cash requirements or notice of cash allowance in C from DBM. (5.5) The allocation amount of the regional offices shall be used only for the following: mapping activities for the production of mapping forms, monitoring for the production of existing M&E tool, transportation fund at 2,000 focal persons. The allocated amount to the regional offices shall be used for the following: mapping activities for hiring and of enumerators, reproduction of mapping forms, transportation expenses, monitoring for reproduction of existing M&E tool, transportation expenses of all focal persons at 2,000 focal at 2,000 per focal person. So number 2, all other DepEd orders and related issuance rules and regulation and provision which are inconsistent with this order are repealed, rescinded, or modified accordingly. Number 3, immediate dissemination of and strict compliance with this order is directed. DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtulis Briones, reference DepEd Order Number 63 Series of 2017 to be indicated in the Perpetual Index under the following subjects: amendment, allocations, alternative learning system, funds, programs, project. Okay, thank you for watching. That is amendments to DepEd Order Number 63 Series of 2017. So this is DO number 04 Series of 2018 dated February 17, 2018. Thank you for watching. God bless po.